Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by getting essentials ready. Charge the watch to at least 50% and power it on so pairing won't fail. Once done, open the Wear OS app on your Android phone, enable Bluetooth and location, and follow the on-screen scanning prompts. Make sure you sign into your Google account and grant permissions for notifications, contacts, and location. This lets apps sync and ensures time, calendar, and voice features work correctly as soon as pairing completes. You now complete pairing by scanning the watch code with the Wear OS app and confirming that matching code on both devices. This secures the link. Next, select which apps and notifications to sync, enable Google Assistant and health permissions so step and heart data flow, and accept any updates. After syncing, customize the watch face, arrange tiles, and set quick settings like brightness and do not disturb, so the watch behaves the way you want during the day and workouts. Finish by checking for and installing system updates on both watch and phone, then restart each device to finalize installs and clear transient errors. Test core functions, receive notifications, make a call, use Google Pay, and try Google Assistant so you confirm everything is live. Calibrate sensors or re-enable wrist detection if tracking seems off. If pairing or sync breaks, reboot phone and watch first, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and only
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.